In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule posts for your Facebook page. Scheduling posts is a really useful way to stay consistent on your page without needing to be online all the time. Whether you're managing a business page, a community, or a personal brand, learning how to schedule content will save you time and help you plan ahead. First, open your browser and go to Facebook's business or professional page interface where you normally manage your page. Make sure you're logged into the account that has access to the Facebook page you want to post from. Once you're on the main dashboard for your page, look for the option that says Create Post. This is usually visible on the home section of your page tools, and it's the same place you would go if you were publishing something immediately. Click on Create Post. This will open the Post Composer window. Here you can set up your post just like you normally would. Type your caption or message, add any links, and upload images or videos if you want to include media. Take a moment to make sure your text is clear and your visuals look good, because this is exactly what your audience will see when the post goes live. Once your content is ready, instead of clicking to publish right away, look for the option that lets you schedule it. In the Composer, you should see a setting or button related to timing, often labeled something like Set Date and Time, or Schedule. Toggle this option on. Turning this on tells Facebook that you don't want the post to go out immediately. After toggling Set Date and Time, a calendar and time selector will appear. Choose the exact day you want the post to be published, then set the time. It's a good idea to think about when your audience is most active. For example, you might pick a weekday morning or early evening, depending on where your followers are located and when they tend to engage. Double check the date and time, as well as your content, to make sure everything is correct. When you're happy with everything, confirm the schedule.